Hey guys, Fanta here, and we're going to be taking a look at a campaign from Rainy Road Comics on Fund My Comic. They're calling it the Rainy Road Roundup. 5 comics ready to ship. So this one may take a little bit longer, but I think it looks awesome. 5 comics, we'll learn more about it together when we get over there. I just wanted you to see the art. And Rainy Road Comics hints the thunderstorm sounds. But yeah, this looks, silhouettes get me. They just do. I don't know what it is about them. Maybe it's the mystery behind them. Not sure, but look at that. Look at those colors. This is awesome. But I'll have all the social media and the link to check it out in the description, and the link to check it out will be the pinned comment under the video. It hasn't started yet, so we'll just go over there and see what they have to offer. Look at that. I just love it. I just do. Look at the silhouettes. Oh my goodness. But like I said, we'll go over, we'll check it out, see what it's all about. I'm just loving the art. I am. Look at that. That one got me. So cool. Awesome. Let's go and check it out. All right, here we are. On Find My Comics says this campaign is approved but has not started yet. And as I said, the Rainy Road Roundup, 5 comics ready to ship. 5 books already printed and ready to ship. Limited quantities, so get them while you can. All right, so as soon as this goes live, better scoop it up. All right, their goal is going to be $1. I think they'll get it. I think they will. And when it starts, I guess it says continuous campaign, no end date. All right. And Michael T. Gonzalez. Let's see. Indie comic writer, letterer, and publisher. 5 books self-published so far. Neotheric graphic novel 6.8, Book of Legend, Epic of Darkness #1 and Epic of Darkness #2, father of 2, husband of 1, unemployed power sports technician. Okay, and they have a website, it looks like, so you can click there for the website. I'll have the Twitter in the description. See, there's 14 rewards. Woo! About this campaign, let's see. Alright, here we go. Our library of printed books are ready to ship out to you, but quantities are limited, so don't hesitate. Once they're gone, they're gone. The idea is just to sell through what I have in stock to build support for subsequent issues, campaigns. Okay, here's a quick glance at what we have to offer. Scroll all the way down through this page to find out more details about each book. Okay. And there's a little bit for this one. I like this cover. If that's the cover, I like it. I tried to put like the cover and then a couple shots from that comic over in the intro. I hope I got it correct. And there's some more. Look at this. I just love it. Look at this art. Maybe I should... There we go. So you can see it all. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I love those colors. You know, my blues and greens. They get me. So cool. That one I went, ooh, when I came across that one and took the shot. Like, Alrighty, that's got me. Go down through here some more. It's awesome. Oh, let's see what this says. You'll also receive a snazzy goodie bag of random extras depending on the specific book and version, digital or physical, that you get. Alright, while supplies last. And there's some random goodies, I suppose. There's hello there. Why are we here on From My Comic? Upcoming projects. Awesome. Awesome. That's a lot to read. I'll let you guys read that. Here we are on each book, I think. Because, you know, I don't see very well and I have to scroll back and forth and make you dizzy. But we'll check out the rewards. It's different here on From My Comic. You can go ahead and check them out and see what's available, so you know what you're going to back when you click on it. It's really awesome. I do love this art. Look at this. This is awesome. I hadn't heard of this before. I'm glad I came across it over here. From My Comic. There's a lot of good projects, you guys. You come over here and scroll. Alright, we're getting up to the rewards. View rewards. There we go. Sorry. $3 digital 6.8 chapter 1 PDF. $3. Wow. It's awesome. For $4, digital Epic of Darkness number 2. Alright. For $5, digital Book of Legend. Hey. For $6, digital Epic of Darkness number 1. Alright. For $10, digital is it Neotheric or Neotheric? Graphic novel. That's digital. For $10, physical Epic of Darkness number 1. Print damaged. I don't know what that means. Shipping to US is included. This is for a damaged copy of the book at a big discount. Okay, alright. 11 is the physical 6.8 chapter 1. Is it 6.8? I'm sorry. You guys are awesome for dealing with me. $12, you get the physical Neotheric. I'm so sorry. Graphic novel, damaged. Shipping is included, and this is for a damaged copy. Wonder why they're damaged. Physical Epic of Darkness number 2. 36 pages, 4 stories of adult horror. Oh, awesome. 16 is physical Book of Legend. Shipping to US is included. It's a 50-page and 9 stories. Heroic action. It lists everything you get there. For 18, physical Epic of Darkness number 1. 48 pages. Saddle stitched comic book. Awesome. For 25, you get digital all 5 book bundle. Alright, so you get all 5 digital. Alright. 26, physical Neotheric gravel novel. Shipped to US is included. That's a 96-page graphic novel. Wow. For 65, physical all 5 book bundle. Alright, shipping is included to US. That's great. All 5 of them for 65. Not so bad. I guess if you don't mind a little bit of damage, get them at a really good discounted price. That's awesome. So I hope you guys saw something that piqued your interest, and you'll click on that link and come over here and check it out, and then look for it to go live, and then you come over and back it, since he said you know, quantities limited. As always, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me through this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Please like and subscribe, and remember, when you ring that noti bell, a dark angel gets her wings.